Hi students, this is Nisha Parekh from Saraswati International Academy. Today I am going to teach Environmental Studies of Standard 4. Chapter 4, The Story of Amrita, Part 3. In Part 1 and 2 we have done with lesson and notes. In Part 3 we are continuing with the remaining notes. So let us start. Choose the correct answer. So here are few questions given and options given, from which you have to choose the correct answer for the question given and write the answer. First question. Why do we see fewer animals and birds around today? So why we are seeing only few animals and birds around us? Option A, deforestation. Option B, hunting. Option C, both of the above. Option D, none of the above. So what will be your answer? Why can we see only few animals and birds these days than in our olden days? That is because of deforestation and hunting. Because of this both, we are seeing fewer animals and birds around us today. So your answer will be both of the above. BOTHOF of THE the OBOVE above. So if you get the question like why do we see fewer animals and birds around us today, what you write? Deforestation and hunting, both you have to write. So your option will be C. Next. How are the khejri trees useful to human being? So how these khejri trees are useful to us? Option A, they provide us shade. Option B, they provide food. Option C, they provide shelter to many different animals. Option D, all of the above. So how is this khejri tree useful to human being? So what will be your answer? Your answer will be all of the above, because option A, they provide us shade, then they provide us food, then they provide shelter to many different animals. So these all are given by khejri tree to human. So what will be the answer? All of the above. Next. What is a person who takes care of plants called? So you have seen many people taking care of plants. What are they called? Option A, hunter. Option B, caretaker. Option C, gardener. And option C, none of the above. So what is this person who is taking care of plants called? What will be answer? Chalo guess. Our answer will be gardener. Okay. Next. What is the bark of the khejri tree used for? So why we use the bark of the khejri tree? Option A, food. Option B, clothing. Option C, medicine. Option D, all of this. So why is this bark of the khejri tree used? For medicines. Next. In which state of India is the khejri tree located? So in which state of India khejri tree located? A, Uttar Pradesh. B, Uttaranchal. C, Rajasthan. And D, Gujarat. So in which state it is located? In this lesson, in which state it is located, khejri village? It is in Rajasthan. 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 Next. Answer the following questions. So here are few questions given and answers given. You have to see which question what answer will be. Who are Bishnuis? So who all are Bishnuis? The Bishnuis are a community of people in Rajasthan who takes great care of plants and animals. So Bishnuis are the community of people in Rajasthan. They take care of plants and animals. Next. Can we cut trees? Why? So can we cut trees? What will be answer? No, we cannot cut trees. Why we cannot cut? Let us see. No, we cannot cut trees as they are useful to us in many ways. So we cannot cut trees because they are useful to us in many ways. trees are our true friends. So they are our true friends. If we cut them, we will be punished by law also. If we cut trees, our law, they will punish us. Next, what will happen if people cut trees? So what will happen if people cut trees? Let us see. The animals of the jungle will have no place to live and will enter the village. So if we cut trees, where we find much trees? In jungle. And in jungle what we find? Animals. So if we cut the trees, the place to live for animals in jungle will not be. And what they do, after there is no place in jungle, they will enter our village. People will have less oxygen to breathe. Again, if we cut trees, who gives us oxygen? Trees, and they take carbon dioxide. So what will be? The shortage of oxygen. There will be less rain and more water problem. So if we cut trees, there also can be less rain and we will face water problem. So the animals of the jungle will have no place to live and will enter the village. This is the first problem. Then people will have less oxygen to breathe. This is the second problem. And third, there will be less rain and more water problem. So these all problems we will face if we cut trees. Next, what can we do to keep our environment clean? So what can we do to keep our environment clean? We should plant more trees. We should take care of plants and animals. So what we should do? We should plant more trees and we should take care of plants and animals. We should not cut trees or kill animals. So to protect our environment, we should not cut trees or kill animals. Okay. So what you will do? You will plant trees in your house or in your garden so that you will keep your environment clean. Is there a place near your house, school or along the roadside where trees have been planted? Why were they planted there? So in near your house or near your school, you have seen trees are planted. So why are they tree planted? Let us see. There is a big park near my house. In the park, there are several big trees. They were planted there to give shade, fruits, and to keep the air fresh. So near the house, near a big park in my house, there are several big trees. They were planted to give shade, fruits, and to keep the air fresh. For this purpose, trees are planted. Next, have you seen fruits on any of the tree? So there near your park, you have seen any fruits on any tree? Yes, there are few mango and guava trees in the park. So in that park, there are few mango trees and guava trees. A few people who looks after the park eat those fruits. Some birds also eat these fruits. So the people who looks after the park, they will pluck and eat that fruits. Not only those people but also birds sitting on the plant will also eat that fruit.